Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Now you are in my factory showroom. We are going to introduce to you the complete wood pallet production line, the whole process equipment. First, we start introduction from our wood pallet machine. Now in front of you is our vertical ring die wood pallet machine, the latest 8th generation pallet machine. All machine with stainless steel material. And this smaller one is XGG 560 with 90 kilowatts, 110 kilowatts, and 132 kilowatts electric motor. The capacity will depend on the electric motor and the gear reducer. And here you can see that this one is 220 kilowatts wood pallet machine, also with 250 kilowatts electric motor. And the gray color pallet machine is 160 kilowatts electric motor wood pallet machine. The capacity 2 to 3 tons per hour. And you can see that we have plenty of pallet machines ready in stock. So if you have any requirement for emergency use of the pallet machine, you can inquire Longze Machinery. And we also produce hammer mills. We also produce a high efficiency hammer mill. You can see that the assembling area. And we also have the large comprehensive wood crusher, wood chipper, and belt, bucket conveyors, and hammer mill. The gray color is very beautiful. Gray color hammer mill, and the pallet cooler. The large angle deep conveyors, the belt conveyors, and the installation of hammer mill. You can have a look how to install the complete set of hammer mill for your reference. Electric control panel, screw conveyors, Okay, if you have any inquiry for Longze pallet machine or the pallet plant, please feel free to inquire us. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.